What is going on, superstars? What is going on, superstars? I'm so super excited to have you here at this moment. So today's video we are going to be seeing a best scalping strategy. So make sure to stick around with me a step-by-step process so that I will explain for you so that you can master this simple scalping strategy for the volatility 75 indices. So are you getting the point? All volatilities. So this strategy is going to be helping you so much, and it's so super easy. So step number one, what you have to do when you always open chart, first and foremost you have to come on a daily time frame. Are you getting the point? Always come to a daily time frame. When you come to a daily time frame, you have to mark key levels. Are you getting the point? You have to mark key levels. Which are the key levels, and how do you identify key levels? You can identify key levels by seeing these U-turns. Are you getting the point? When you see a U-turn like this in a daily time frame, those are the big the big key levels. As you can see how I marked them. What you have to do to draw horizontal line on the recent U-turns, recent, these swing highs and swing lows. These ones, don't care about these ones which have already passed, but you care about these ones. For example, like this one and these two, this is the 3 and this is the 4. So you have to draw horizontal line. You mark them, and then you know that the market, when it's around this place, it will move to this, it will move to this. So the market, it always move from the swing from the zone to zone of the daily time frame. Are you getting the point? So after understanding that, and after marking key levels on a daily time frame, the next step, what you have to do to diving into H1, we go directly to H1. Are you getting the point? When we come on H1, we focus on the present. Are you getting the point? You can see that the market moved from here down here around this side, our key zone. When it moved from here, we have come to minor daily key zone. You can see it, which I have used it to mark with a small horizontal line, and then we are moving to the next zone. Are you getting the point? From zone to zone, from zone to zone. So the next step, after marking zone, the next step, you have to get trend line. Are you getting the point? You have to get trend lines tool. Come here and get the trend line tool. So you draw trend lines like this. Are you getting the point? So you connect this point. This is the low, the lower high. This is the lower high, this is the lower low. This, we are going up now. This is the low, this is the high, this is the high, this is the high low, this is the high low. I get the point. So what you have to do, you connect this point 1, point 2, and then you extend horizontal line. Are you getting? What are we trying to find here? We're trying to find the H1 direction or the H1 trend. Are you getting the point? So what we have to do to move our trend line, we put it on the on the upper side. After putting it on upper side, and then we get another one to keep to get a channel. It stayed downwards. Are you getting the point? So this is our trend, H1 trend. We are going up. Are you getting the point? We are going up. So as long as these our zones, we have our daily zones, by which means we have to scalp between the zone to zone. If the market is approaching to the another zone, and then we first to wait to see that what will happen when the market hit at the roof. You can see now the market have hit here at the roof, it reversed down. Now it have approaching again here. Now we're expecting to come back, and then we get our sniper entry inside of the H1 uptrend, by which means right now we are looking for buying opportunities according from this zone to that zone. Are you getting the point? So we're keeping buying until this H1 trend got broken, and if it got broken, we will go back to daily, and then we wait the H4 to see what the H4 tells. For example, if you can come back here in H4, if we can come in H4 and then we go back to our daily zone, you can see that the whole power of this uptrend which we are now, it started from this zone. Are you getting the point? Which means we have what? We have had here an inverted hammer. We have a hammer here, and then we have what? A bullish engulfing candle. You can see. If you wanted to swing, you can wait on the daily zone. You can wait at the daily zone, and then you wait the candlestick pattern in H4 to happen. If you can get exactly this candle, you can see. Let us say that it was not yet happened, the bullish engulfing, it was not yet happened. Are you getting the point? And the market was here at the daily zone, and you see this exactly candle, you can take you buy exactly there with a small lot size. Are you getting the point? And then you swing this market to the next to the next zone. Why? The market now is showing the bullish momentum. We have to move upward. Are you getting the point? So that is another way how you can you can swing by using a daily zone and plus adding a candlestick pattern confirmations. So let us go back to the scalping strategy, guys. So when you see that the market is approaching to the zone, you first hold on, and then you keep waiting to see what will happen. Now, for instance, it was around like, let me see, it was around what time? It was around midday. Are you getting the point? You can see it. It was around midday. Then the candlestick on H4, it broke this our daily zone to confirm we are still we are still moving up, so that you come back on H1. Are you getting the point? You come back on H1 to start looking your setups, and then you continue scalping. Are you getting the point, guys? So as well we are doing that. We are on H1 now. The time frame to execute and to look the same patterns so that we can continue with the trend. We have to do what? We have to diving into minute 5. Are you getting the point? So here in minute 5, it's where the game starts very, very, very much. So what you have to do when you reach here, remember we are looking for the buys. What you have to do in minute 5, you have to wait the trend to go down. Are you getting the point? By which means the market, we have to be selling on what? On minute 5. On minute 5. Are you getting the point? That the market should be moving downwards. When the market is moving downwards, what we have to do to get our tool, our trend line tool, and then we connect these channels. Are you getting the point? Like this. We try to find the higher highs and higher lows in minute in minute 5. Then we get at that channel. Are you getting the point? We get this channel. So after getting this channel in minute 5, remember we are trading going with the same direction of the minute of the minute of the minute 5 and the minute and H1. So we have to follow the trend of the H1 well by giving us the daily direction from the daily zone. Are you getting the point? Like the way how I have already explained it to you. So the next step after getting our channel in minute 5, so what we have to do in minute 5, after getting our channel, which means the overall trend in H1 is going up, and then in minute 5 supposed to be going down. when it moving downwards, by which means the trend of the minute 5 is going down, we draw that trend to see that the minute 5 is going down. So we have to mark the last or the last lower high. This is the high, this is the high low, this is the high, this is the high low again. Now the recent lower high is when we mark our what, our structure like that way. That is how we mark it. We get from the week, we get from what we mark from the week of the candle, and then we come back to the we come to the what, to the body of the candle. When you reach at the body of the candle like that, that is will be our zone. So what we have to do to wait the market break this zone. Are you getting the point? The market it have break around this area. This is the minute 5. If you can see it very well, that this is our minute 5 candle close above the what, above the zone what we have marked here. When the minute 5 close above the zone here, then the stop loss it will be down here, this structure which have this which have broke out. Though, so what we have to put here, this is will be use stop loss. I couldn't. This is will be used stop loss. So immediately when the minute 5 close, you execute. Are you getting the point? You execute. So you keep holding. You start holding. Are you getting the point? You hold. You what? You entry. You hold. You keep holding until you see 2R. But which means we are going to be risking 1 and then we gain 2. Are you getting the point? That is the only way how you can make money in scalping Volatility 75 index. Are you getting the point? So another thing, guys, if you really want to master this strategy, make sure to repeat this live and again and again and again. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you are new here to my channel, and then you keep moving with the community, guys. And check in the link in the description if you have not yet get you live account. Make sure to get those links in the description below so that you can get you live account and then to trade with the same broker I use. My Forex broker number 1, it is Exness for currencies, and then for indices is what is derived. So make sure you do that. Thanks so much for being alive with me right now. So this market it's live. Open your chart right now, and then we can see that if we can get some signals here, we can see that the market is still moving up like this. So we are waiting a downtrend in minute 5 so that we can what, we can catch an entry. Are you getting the point? So as long as the market have hit to the roof, we have to wait this market come back this side. So when it comes back around this area, we are going to use our what, our skill. We are going to use our skill of what, of looking the downtrend, and then we wait it breaks immediately when this M5 downtrend get breaks, and then we will execute. For example, I'm from executing this here. I'm from executing that, and then I have scalped this what, 5, 10, 15 minutes, and then I was out from the market. My stop loss was around this area here. That was my stop loss, and then my TP was 1 to 2R. So we are still moving upward until the overall of H1 get broken. And if you can come back to the daily, you can see in the daily we are still moving up. Right now we are about to hit this zone, so we have to keep scalping until we hit this daily zone. Are you getting the point? Thanks so much for watching. See you to the next live. Peace.